So as you can see, well maybe as you can guess from the mask get up, we are at the Stockholm airport right now, and we're actually going to be flying up north in Sweden to a small city called Kiruna. It's above the Arctic Circle. Thought we'd bring you guys along and show you what it's like. It's pretty amazing up there. So for now, we're just here at the airport getting ready for our flight to take off. Getting ourselves ready to go to a cabin for a couple of nights, which is going to be very nice, very cozy, and obviously we need to make some delicious food. So because we're up north, we definitely have to have some reindeer.
Sorry kids, Santa.
Sorry man.
We're having an electric sled this year, I think. Let's go.
So we're about to go into a local shop
reindeer
and buy some reindeer. Wow, everything's from the garden. Amazing. Some lettuce. Oh my god, look at these tomatoes. Oh my god, and some potatoes. Oh my god, these carrots look amazing. And some of these onions. Oh my god, amazing. So we've just come by our friends Anders and Anne Helen's house. They live out in Jukkasjärvi, which is Jukkasjärvi. Which is a bit outside of Kiruna. They have an amazing garden here, and Anne Helen has put together this basket for us. So beautiful and warm in here. So now we're just heading off, and we're going to go to a little cabin that we're going to stay at for the next couple of nights. I don't know what it looks like yet, so super excited to check it out.
Did we bring enough beers? Or do we have to go back to system?
According to your calculations, whatever you think you need, double it.
Then we got to turn it around and go back into the city.
So unbelievably cute. Like, it's ridiculous. I'm gonna show you inside. We've decided to get ourselves out of the cozy little cabin and are off on a little journey for the afternoon. We're gonna go find some beautiful sights and see what there is to see around here.
He's pointing that at me.
amazing sauna out here with some cold dips down into the water, which was very, very cold. We had an amazing day today out in the mountains. Now we are back here for the evening in the cabin. We've got lots of candles lit, a whole bunch of veggies from Anne Helen's garden. So we're going to cook those along with our reindeer stew. So I'm going to show you how we're making it.
I met an old man. I said, tell me your story. He took out an old pen and wrote something for me. Then he kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote. It said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find what you've got.